Hi, I'm Lauren and welcome back to my craft room. Today I have a special guest.
Abigail.
Abigail is with me and we are just having some fun in the craft room. No special techniques today, but we did want to share with you how we put together our Slimline unicorn cards. So here's Abigail's beautiful unicorn card. And here is the one that I made. So we hope you enjoy just crafting along with us and just us having fun, really, right?
Right.
All right. Are you ready, Abigail?
Yeah.
Okay, so Abigail wanted to do a slimline card. So we each have a card base cut out of some white cardstock for our slimline card base. And then we cut out some Bristol Smooth to do some Distress Ink Oxide blending. And then Abigail picked this wavy die, and so we cut our Bristol Smooth to be a little smaller than this wavy die so that way we can layer them together, and this will stack onto our card base. And we're going to be using this unicorn set. It's kind of a mess. We've already taken out all of our stamps. We're going to be using this really cute unicorn set from Whimsy Stamps. Abigail's picked out which stamp she wants to use. And then we also used quick strips to cut out these banner pieces that we're going to be stamping our sentiment on. So why don't we start with our stamping? Okay?
Okay.
So we have all of our stamps in our MISTI. So let's get it all set up. So we have our markers here, and now we're going to color together. Maybe we'll just show how we colored one unicorn, and then we'll fast forward to the rest. So what color do you want your unicorns?
I want my unicorns rainbow.
Rainbow? Okay, you color however you want to. So here are our colored images. We have our cute unicorns and our lollipops and balloons. So now we're going to use our scan and cut to cut these out. So we'll be right back. Here are our cutout images. Abigail has her 3 unicorns and her 2 lollipops and balloon. And I have my 3 unicorns and I just did 1 lollipop and a balloon. So now should we work on our distressing background? Okay. I can't hear you. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Move that out of the way. Let's get out the glass mat. So we picked out these 4 colors. Not really sure how they're going to blend together, but we're just going to have some fun. So are you ready, Abigail?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we should go in this order. What do you think?
I think we'll start
Like this. Ooh, squeaky.
I think I like it like. So this one on top. And then this. And then that one. To that. And
Okay.
then that order.
That order? So you want the darker purple on top or the bottom?
Top.
Okay. So let's start then. get our sprays. Let's pick this all up. Okay, so let me show you how to spray the water on it. You want to do the water on it too? Yes. Okay, I'm going to do mine first, then you can do your careful when you touch it and your fingerprints everywhere. So I'm just going to squirt the water in a couple big old blobs. And then I'm going to lay down this real fast. Ooh, you like it? Okay. So spray yours. Nice. That's good.
Spray all over it. I'll spray all over it.
Mm. Look at that. Beautiful. So let's let this side to dry, and then we'll come back and put together our cards. Okay, so our backgrounds are pretty much dry. So should we start gluing everything together?
Sure.
Here's your card base, waves. So let's glue our waves onto the background first. All right. Okay. So let's glue this to our card. All right. Looks good. Okay, so now let's start gluing down our, what are they called?
Unicorns.
Unicorns, okay. So I've got some foam squares we can use. So let's figure out your layout and then put the foam squares on, okay?
Okay,
So
so
make sure
this
you
one
leave
was
room.
Up here. That one was up there.
Make sure you leave room for your sentiment too, okay? Should we stamp those real fast?
Yeah, stamp them.
So this is a mix of leftover sequence packs. So I had some sparkle blends, just some leftover gold ones.
Now get to the last scrape.
And since there was such a little bit left of a bunch of different ones, Abigail put them all into one container for me. So
Not
that way we just make our own little leftover blend. All right, we finally did it. Here are our unicorn cards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine's upside down.
That's okay. It's a special card.